Chicks. Got them eating out of the palm of my hand.
Hey folks, Chris here with RonBootsFarm. Coming back at you with another video. This video is going to be a mashup. I've got quite a bit of old footage on my phone that I need to get off. Various things I filmed that I never got onto YouTube. So I'm going to put these together. It may actually be two videos. There's about, I think, 35-40 minutes of video on there. And I'll, of course, edit that down some. But before we get started, I just wanted to say thank you to all the new subscribers. We got that shout out on Keeping It Dutch the other day, and we went from, I think we were 98 when we started, and right now we're at like 186. So thank you for all the new folks that joined us coming over from Dutch, and the other folks that found us through our videos. So we just wanted to thank you. And again, as always, if you like these videos, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and hit us up in the comments. We like to have a chat down there and answer all of them. So again, we'll start this mashup.
Hey guys, Chris here with RonBootsFarm. Very excited today to announce that we are about to start selling eggs. We finally got our new hens laying. Our older ones had been laying slowly, so we didn't have that many extras to go around, but the new ones that you've seen in the previous videos have finally started laying, and we're getting anywhere from 4 to 5 eggs a day, and that should jump up pretty quick to a dozen to 2 dozen a day. And so we're ready to start putting those out for sale. We'll get something out pretty quick, probably put an ad on Craigslist, make an announcement on Nextdoor or some of the other social media apps, but very excited to finally start selling some eggs to the public here. Up. What are you doing, chicken? Getting in, sister? There you go. Good job. That's it. You got it. You got it. Don't get too tight. Somebody got out. Come on now, girl. Try to catch a chicken while holding the camera. Gotcha. Hey. Let me see. No. You got to get out of the way of this thing. Chicks. Got them eating out of the palm of my hand. Don't tell my wife. Hey, don't eat my shirt. Just go get some food. Don't eat my clothes. Oh, mama. Come on, donkeys. Hey, good morning, YouTube. Who wants to go chase some chickens? Nothing like chasing escaped chickens. These two need to go to the crock pot. Come on now. Left turn, Clyde. I mean, it's open right there, and you couldn't do it. Come on, there you go. Right turn, right turn. Hey, look at that. 2 down, 1 to go. Not having fun as a farmer. You're not out here in the rain chasing chickens. Now that moron's over there. You'll be lucky if you don't get curb stomped by the donkeys. Hey, donkeys. What y'all doing? Huh? Yeah. I was trying to bite me. Alright, goats, we got it. No. Everybody wants to start raising chickens, right? About ready to give you mine. Y'all aren't much help. Come on. Definitely gonna have to go to the crock pot. Get through there. Hey, what you doing? I need to go to Nose Dang Gym. That donkey's gonna get you. Y'all are not helping. Over the fence, back over the fence. All right, let's try it your way. Has to be the dumbest chicken ever. Y'all could do something besides just stand there. Yeah, I'm talking to you.
Come on, chicken. You can't do that, stupid. You already went through the fence once and go through that other one. Come on. Come on, you can do it. There you go. You don't think this is funny, huh? Just a little bit further. Hey. Three chickens back in the roost. I got my walk in for the morning. Everybody's in here laying. Little mama down there. Leave her alone.